Okay, so what I want to talk right now is section 1.6. This is on the division, long division. So I'm going to explain how to carry out long division by doing a few examples. So my first example, let's say, is that I want to divide 93 by 5, okay, by using long division. So here's my 5 and here is 93. So 93 here, that's the 93 here, that's what we call the dividend. We are dividing 93 by 5, so 93 here is called the dividend, and the 5 here is called the divisor. So you divide a dividend by a divisor. Okay, going back to dividing 93 by 5. So this is what we do. We take one digit at a time in the dividend and ask the question. First of all, I take 9 and I want to ask how many times 5 goes into 9. Well, 5 goes into 9 only once. So 5 times 1 is 5, and then I subtract 5 from 9, I get 4. Okay, and it will be less than 5. Now I bring down the 3. I bring down the 3, and what I obtain is 43. Now, how many times 5 goes into 43? Well, 5 times 8 is exactly 40, and what I obtain is 3, and I have no more digits left in my dividend. So this number 3 that I obtained, that's called the remainder. That's called the remainder, and note that it is less than the divisors. Note here that the remainder is less than the divisor. Okay, now so when we used this long division procedure to divide 93 by 5, so what we obtained is the following. If I divide 93 by 5, that's equal to 18 plus 3 divided by 5. Okay, so when I divided 93 by 5, what I get is 18 plus 5. In short, we write this as 18 and a 3/5. 18 and a 3/5. Now 18 here is called the quotient. So what we are basically saying here, so if I want to say this in words, what we are saying is that the dividend divided by the divisor is equal to the quotient plus the remainder over the divisor. Okay, so let's look at another example. Another example. And in this example, let's say I want to divide 85 by 7. Okay. So let's use long division. So I have 85. I take the first digit in 85 and I ask how many times 7 goes into 85. Well, it only goes there once. So 7 times 1 is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. And then I bring down the next digit 5. Okay, so I get 15. And once I get 15, then I ask how many times 7 goes into 15. Well, 7 times 2 is 14. And then when I subtract, I get a 1. And notice that I don't have any more digits left in my dividend. So once again, remember, this is my quotient. This is my dividend. This is the divisor, and that's the remainder. Now, so what we obtained is that 85 over 7, that's the same as the quotient plus the remainder divided by the divisor, which is the same. In short, we write 12 plus 1/7 as 12 and a 1/7. Okay, these are called mixed fractions. So this is called, this thing here, when we write 12 plus 1/7 as 12 and 12 1/7, this notation here is called, this is called a mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. That it's the same as 85 over 7.